Today we are taking you around Koh Lanta.
All I'm asking now, don't give up on
Yeah, so we arrived from Phuket last night, and we are already on the go, going around, exploring. And our first stop was 7-Eleven, of course, for a coffee.
Power coffee for me because otherwise I cannot get on the scoopy.
Yes, so we rented the scooter, and now we are making all our way down to the beaches. So the first one will be Bamboo Beach.
I guess so if we don't stop by two other beaches.
Yes, but yeah, so we just
It's
gonna
a
go
sunny
beach.
day,
Don't
unexpected,
say,
because yesterday was pouring raining.
Yeah, it was really bad.
We
so,
worked from the morning to the evening.
Yeah.
No stop.
Yeah, just because nothing. We couldn't even go to have a lunch because it was pouring rain.
Yeah.
So let's hope today we're gonna be able to make it and nothing is gonna happen. So let's go. It's beach hopping today.
Let's go and discover.
A drink with a view.
we find
The better one.
Oh yes, it's amazing. And I'm so happy because it's not that cloudy. I mean, it is cloudy, but just a tiny bit
clear.
that is really like cinematic.
And we are here by mistake.
Oh yes, because Google Map was saying that the viewpoint was on our left-hand side. So, but then we had to go uphill. So Toti was like, okay, I need to go fast. And then when we checked Google Map, was like, oh, actually we missed it. And I was like, what is it? But then we bumped into this one. We saw the
On
view,
a
was
slow
like,
downhill.
yeah, and we're like, okay, let's stop here for a drink.
Nice.
Still worth it?
And Fanta because I'm driving and I'm responsible.
Well, I'm having a pineapple juice. It's not like a vodka
Yeah, are you
pineapple
sure?
juice. I'll let you know in a couple of hours.
I know that
So on our way to Bamboo Beach, which is the last beach on the
Andaman
west
Sea,
coast
yeah.
of Koh Lanta, we stopped by
Another
this
beautiful beach.
Klong Beach, which is very rough. It's very nice. There is a lot of garbage on the beach anyway.
Yeah.
It's not very nice to swim, but it's wonderful to see how much
Just-
nature
yeah.
there is in Koh Lanta.
And just to sit and relax and enjoy the sun.
And we can start to see the Fifi Islands
Yes.
on the side, yeah, which is very nice. It's a clear day, so
Hopefully,
thanks
stay like
that we get nice weather.
Yeah, so let's go and see Bamboo Island. Bamboo
Let's,
Beach, sorry.
yes.
in sickness or health, for richer, for poor. I meant every word that I told you before.
And behind me, 1,000 shades of blue. I don't know what to expect more from Koh Lanta. This is Kantiang Beach, and we are continuing our way to Bamboo, the last one.
Don't give up. Don't
Eventually,
yeah,
we
we
made
made it.
to Bamboo
Yeah.
Bamboo Beach.
Yeah, that's
It was
quite,
fantastic.
The scooter wasn't that strong, but we made it. Yeah.
There are a lot of up and
Uphill
down.
downhill,
Yeah.
and then the street is not really
The road, yeah,
maintained, so
the road is not well maintained.
so
there are a lot
some
of
holes along the way.
potholes. Yeah,
So yeah, it was fine. It was a fine ride. So now
the beach is fantastic.
Yeah.
There are two sections of the beach. One is more rough with a lot of waves, and the
yeah.
other one is more calm.
but,
There is only one restaurant.
yes
on
which
the
is
Bamboo
called
Beach.
The last
The last beach, the
something
last
the last
point.
beach view, something like that.
They do an amazing chicken, which
yes.
I didn't record at all because
Yeah.
we waited for quite long.
So yeah, when we received it, we were just eating. So now it's time to actually go on the beach.
Go, yeah, let's
Yeah.
go to Nui Beach now. On the way back, the clouds are making the sky a little bit gray.
Yeah, but
Not great weather.
Yeah, but
But
it's fine.
let's hope that it's clearing out on our way back, so we can enjoy another beach today.
Yes. There's another one.
Alessia's versus monkeys. No, don't do that.
So we made it to Nui Beach. We were on our way back, but then we saw so many scooters on a side road, and we're like, "Oh, there must be something in here." It's just 5 minutes walk, like down. It's not really an hike like in Freedom Beach in Phuket, but it's quite easy to do it. And there are monkeys along the way, so don't bring any food, or at least keep it in your bags. And now, let's enjoy. So a little tip, if you're coming to Nui Beach and you're parking the scooter, make sure that it's closed, the seat is closed, because there was a monkey on another scooter, and then they opened the seat and they found the bag, and yeah, they were trying to take whatever it was inside, but unfortunately we were there, so make sure that you do close the seat.
I mean, it's not the best sunset ever, but still something.
But still something. I mean, you can see the sun that is completely pink, red, orange. I don't know.
Just a bowl,
Yeah, but it's so
half
nice.
bowl.
Yeah, but it's so nice.
That's so amazing, magical.
So today we woke up with zero motivation to do any work. We woke up even late. I woke up late. But so we rented the scooter and we are now in Koh Lanta Old Town, which is 20 minutes ride from our accommodation, so not that bad. It's
And the
crowded.
roads are quite
It's
fine,
okay,
yeah,
yes.
compared to the south.
Yeah, true. It's actually a road. We hope that the weather is gonna stay like this, but I've got my doubts because there are so many black clouds around. Let's see if we're gonna make it in the end of the day.
But let's go and
Enjoy
enjoy
Old
Koh
Town.
Lanta town. So you get your sunset.
It's something. We are getting there. Hopefully the clouds will disappear at some point. So I've got my doubts. But so far is the nicest one in Thailand that we've seen. So, but on the top of the list there is still the one in Barbados after the rain. The purple colors were just amazing.
And natural, no Photoshop.
No, nothing. No Photoshop.
So you got your sunset,
Yes.
you got your beach, you
Yes.
got your beer.
Yeah.
What is missing?
Later we're going to see the fight show, which is starting in about half an hour, and then we're going to the cinema. A perfect romantic date, right?
Ready?
Yes, it's our last day in Koh Lanta, and our last day eating from Pom. The best pad thai. I'm gonna be sad. I'm gonna miss this pad thai.
Is Mr. Pad Thai.
He's the best. I mean, even though he's done with egg noodles, the one that we don't really like, it's amazing. It's amazing. You have to try it. So if you are in Koh Lanta, make sure that you're coming here.
Last one. This is the last one for us.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Leave
tomorrow we are leaving.
We're leaving tomorrow.
Ready?
Always ready. Pad thai. Oi. I think there is a secret ingredient inside.
I asked him. I say
No secret ingredient.
tamarind.
I think it's love.
I told him it's love.
Yeah.
So good. I need to go on mine. Bye.
So we are ending our beautiful time in Koh Lanta. You can see that we are so relaxed. We've done work, we've done sightseeing, and for sure Koh Lanta is one of the top destinations on our bucket list, preferred destination. If you like the video, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you in the next one.